Hi everyone, welcome to Commerce Kaksha. We have already done guarantee of profit to partner in the previous class. Now let's do some sums on it so that our topic gets more inside our head. Let's go to question. Question number 1. And S and V are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:3:4. Partnership deed provide for the following: interest on capital at the 5% per annum, interest on drawings at the 12% per annum, interest on partners loan at the rate 6% per annum. This is charge against profit. N was allowed annual salary of rupees 4,000. Annual word is there, no need to multiply by 12. S was allowed a commission of 10% of net profit as per P&L account. V was guaranteed a minimum profit of 1,50,000 after making all adjustment. This is guarantee. Capitals is N 5 lakh, S 8 lakh and V 4 lakh rupees. On 1st April, S extended a loan of rupees 1 lakh to firm. So we have to pay interest of 6% per annum, that is 6,000. Net profit before interest 3 lakh 6,000. So therefore net profit actual will be 3 lakh 6,000 minus interest, that will be 3 lakh. And withdrew 10,000 at the end of each quarter. So this 10,000 is quarterly, so we'll multiply it by 4 and we'll take 4.5 as average. S withdrew 5,000 at the end of each month. At the end of each month, so we'll multiply it by 12 and we take average at 5.5. We withdraws 4,000 at the end of each month for half year. Half year means 4,000 into 6, and at the end of each month for half year, that means we have to take the average of 2.5. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and prepare partners capital account. First of all, I think we should prepare working notes so that it comes handy while solving the problem. Working note 1. Interest on drawing and 10,000 into 4, 40,000 into 12% per annum into 12 by 100 into the average 4.5 by 12 is equal to, next, S 5,000 into 12, 60,000 total drawing into 12 by 100 into monthly average 5.5 by 12. V 6 into 4,000, 24,000 into 12 by 100 into average 2.5 by 12 is equal to 1,800, 3,300 and 600. Total is 5,700. Next, working note 2. Interest on capital. Capitals are 5 lakh, 8 lakh and 4 lakh and percentage is 5% per annum. NSV 5 lakh, 8 lakh and 4 lakh. 5%, 5%, 5%, that is 25,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Total is 85,000. This point is over, this point is over. Interest on partner's loan already over, and the net profit point is also over. So let's move on to profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, transfer profit by profit and loss account. 3 lakh, I guess. Yes, 3 lakh. By interest on drawings, N, S and V. Here it is 1800, 3300, 600. Total 5700. All the entries in credit side is over, so let's total it. 305, 700. Two side, to interest on capital, N, S, V. 25,000, 40,000 and 20,000. $85,000. N was allowed annual salary of 4,000. S was allowed commission of 10% of net profit. So net profit is 3 lakh and not 3,06,000. Working note 3. Calculation of commission. We will take 3 lakh into 10%, that is 30,000. To commission given to S. $30,000 to salary given to N. 4,000. I hope all the entries are over. And interest on partner's loan will not come to profit and loss appropriation account. It is a charge against profit and will directly go to partner's loan account. So therefore, let's calculate profit. 305,700 minus 85,000 minus 30,000 and minus 40,000 to profit transferred to N, S and V. 186,700, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:4. Before distributing this 186,700, let me remind you a guarantee of rupees 1,50,000 was given to V. Okay, so let's distribute the profit in rough. 186,700 in 3:4. 186,700 to N, to S and to V. 3:4. 56010, 56010, 746 74680, but the guarantee was given of rupees 1,50,000. So deficiency is equal to 1,50,000 minus 74680. 75320. This is the deficiency. So we will get 75320, so that V's profit is guaranteed profit, that is 1,50,000. See, this deficiency of 75320 to be given to V by N and S in the ratio of the profit sharing, which is currently 3:3:4. So we'll take 3:3, which means 1:1, which is equal. So we'll distribute 75320 and deduct it from N and S share of profit. Minus 37660 minus 37660. Ultimately the profit is 18350. 18350 and 1,50,000. Therefore 18350, 18350 and 1,50,000. With this, profit and loss appropriation account is over. Let's move on to partners capital account. Particulars NSV. Particulars NSV. So first of all, balance of capital account. By balance brought down, I guess 5, 8 and 4 lakh rupees. $5 lakh, 8 lakh and 4 lakh. Next, interest on capital 25, 40 and 20. By interest on capital 25,000, 40,000, 20,000. Next is commission to S and salary to N 30 and 4. By salary 4,000. By commission 30,000. Next, this profit, don't forget this profit, 18350, 18350 and 1,50,000. By P&L Upro 18350, 18350 and 1,50,000. Next, debit side, 2 drawings. First, the amount of drawings transferred will be 40,000, 60,000 and 24,000. 40,000, 60,000, 24,000. To interest on drawings 1,800, 3,300 and 600. 1,800, 3,300, 600. Now let's calculate the balance of capital account and close the question. $547,350. 547,350. Therefore the balance will be 2 balance close down. 50,550. Next, S, the total of credit column 8 lakh plus 40,000 plus 30,000 plus 1,350. 888 350. 888 350. The balance will be 825,050. Next, total of V, 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 1,50,000, 5,70,000. Minus 24,000 minus 600. 545,400. With this, the question is over. Now let's move on to next question. Question number 2. A, V and K are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:2:1. their partnership deed provide the following: monthly salary of 15,000 to A and V, first two partners. K was guaranteed a profit of 5 lakh. So this partner, third partner, was given a guarantee of rupees 5 lakh, and A guaranteed that A ने guarantee दी है that he will earn an annual fee of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, so A has given the guarantee to the firm. This was the case we discussed in the last in guarantee to partner. A has given guarantee to the firm. Any deficiency arising out of guarantee given to K will be borne by A and V in 3:2. A new ratio for guarantee is given. During the year, A earned a fee of rupees 1,75,000. See, A gave the guarantee of 2 lakh rupees and he has earned rupees 1,75,000. So the deficiency is 25,000. 25,000 is to be paid by A to the firm. Profit of the firm amounted to rupees 15 lakh. Let's see the working of profit and loss appropriation account. First, by P&L account, 15 lakh. Next, deficiency to be taken from A by A's capital. Two lakh minus 1,75,000, that is 25,000. Otherwise, monthly salary of 15,000 to A and V. Salary A, V. 15,000 into 12, 1,80,000 each. Any other expense? No, directly we will go to guarantee. Let's see what was the profit. 15 lakh 25,000 15,25,000 minus 3,60,000. 11 lakh 65,000. Let's distribute to the partners as per the guarantee given. The guarantee of rupees 5 lakh was given to K by A and V in the ratio 3:2. So let's distribute the same. 11,65,000 to A, V and K in the ratio 2:1. 2, 2 and 1. 466,000, 466,000 and 233,000. But the guarantee was given of 5 lakh. So deficiency is equal to 5 lakh minus 2,33,000. That will be 2,67,000 to be borne by A and V in 3:2. That is 160, 200, 106, 800. So minus 160, 200 and 106, 800 plus 267,000. That will be 5 lakh, which was our guaranteed profit, and A's profit and V's profit are 305,800, 359,200. To profit transferred to capital account A, V, K. K's profit is 5 lakh, which was guaranteed, and 359,200. 359,200. Let's move on to question number 3. A, B and C are in partnership. A and B sharing profit in the ratio 3:1. C के बारे में अभी तक कुछ नहीं बोला. C is receiving annual salary of 32,000 plus 5% commission after charging his salary and commission. He is receiving, let's note down, he is receiving presently salary plus commission. After charging his salary and commission, or 1/4 of the profit of the firm, whichever is more, or 1/4 of profit means net profit, whichever is more. Next, any excess of latter over former received by C is under partnership deed to be borne by A and B in the ratio 3:2. Profit for the year is 1,68,000. Show the distribution of profit among the partners. This question is a bit of confusing question, but let's crack it. See, what he's saying is, presently he is getting salary of 32,000 plus 5% commission of net profit. This is a complete package, and another package is 1/4 of net profit, whichever is more. So what it means is कि in the above two, whichever is the more will be guarantee, and whichever is less is the normal profit of that partner, which he will get in the distribution, and the difference will be deficiency to be borne in 3:2. Let's see how this question is solved with the figures given in the question. Let's see how the calculations are to be done. Profit for the year is 1,68,000 after charging salary. मतलब 168,000 में से ये 32,000 की सैलरी ऑलरेडी माइनस हो चुकी है, तो हमें इसको नॉर्मल लेवल पे लेके आना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले. सो नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म इज 1,68,000 प्लस 32,000, that will be 2 lakh rupees. Next, let's calculate for the guaranteed partner, which is C. So there are two things. First package, salary plus commission. Salary is 32,000 and commission is 5% of net profit after salary and commission. How will you calculate this? 2 lakh is the net profit minus salary, we already know 32,000, 1,68,000. What we don't know is the commission, so we'll use the formula 10 upon 110. 1,68,000 into 10 upon 110. So the commission will be 8,000. Therefore, now C is getting 32,000 as salary plus 8,000 as commission. Total is 40,000. And compared to that, he has given a second option of 1/4 of net profit. Net profit will be 2 lakh rupees. 1/4 into 2 lakh, which is 50,000. So here 50,000 is more. So 50,000 is the guarantee given that he will get more, means he has the guarantee of rupees 50,000 and his normal profit is 40,000. So normally he will get 40,000 and now he will get 50,000 with the guarantee and the deficiency of 10,000 to be borne by A and B in the ratio of 3:2, which is 6,000 and 4,000. Now let's see how we will distribute the profit. See, initially the profit was 2 lakh rupees. First, C will take his 40,000 normal salary and commission, then remaining profit 1,60,000 to be divided in A and B in 3:1. That is 1,20,000 and 40,000. Now C was to be given the more amount, that was 50,000, which is guaranteed amount. So add 10,000, he will get 50,000 and deduct 6,000 from A and 4,000 from B. Ultimately their profit is 4,000 and 36,000. So therefore the P&L appropriation account will look like this. By P&L account 2 lakh to profit transfer to capital A 4,000, B 36,000 and C 50,000, in total 2 lakh rupees. With this, the question is over. Thank you, class.